If you're among those who have given up on ARBITRUM, you may want to change your mind, because I discovered 3 things the developing team is doing that could skyrocket the value of ARB token before the end of the year. The first one is account abstraction. ARBITRUM is the first layer 2 network to push for account abstraction across its entire chain. Account abstraction means that users can separate the control of their fund from the execution of smart contracts. In other words, users can create accounts that have different levels of access on the same blockchain. One account can be used for everyday spending, for example, and another account for savings. In essence, ARBITRUM is moving from the current one account fit all model to a future where the account is tailored to the user's need. Once this feature is enabled, users will enjoy new functions on ARBITRUM, such as customized signature scheme, paying for gas fee with any token, fraud monitoring, batch transaction, and so on. These new functions means more utilities for ARB token, which will eventually lead to an increase in value. ARBITRUM Stylus is the second, and this is what it is. Developers on ARBITRUM can only code in Solidity programming language, which is used for Ethereum. And so, developers skilled in other programming language like Rust cannot use ARBITRUM. But with ARBITRUM Stylus, developers can create dApps on ARBITRUM using other programming language like Rust and C++. More developers means more dApps, and more dApps means what? More demand for the ARB token. And last but not the least is the launch of ARBITRUM Orbit. ARBITRUM Orbit is a developer kit that will help developers create app-specific chains on top of ARBITRUM instead of building their dApps directly on the main ARBITRUM chain. What makes this a good move is that all app chain will create value for ARB by generating transactions that require gas fees to be paid in ARB. Not only that, ARBITRUM Foundation is introducing a grant program that will attract more developers to build on Orbit, which means more app-specific chain and more value for ARB. There's also a new Ethereum standard that ARBITRUM will benefit from, which is called EIP 4844. This standard allows layer 2 solutions like ARBITRUM to provide cheaper transaction fee without paying Ethereum a big share of it, meaning that ARBITRUM will retain most of the revenue from fees and help boost the ARB value. With all this in place, ARBITRUM is set to pump by a lot more before the end of the year. And if you're interested in bagging profits in this token, then this is the best time to start accumulating the token. Try towards DCA in before all the hype kicks in. Nevertheless, this is not a financial advice. Remember to always do your own due diligence before buying ARBITRUM. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably and learn more about cryptocurrency and DeFi, then create a BYBIT account and join my group. All links are in the description. I'll see you in that group and in the next video.